Weather from where you live.
Well, you can get an idea of the weather pattern. Big trough here in the east. There's the big snowstorm in the eastern U.S. And notice how all the showers are moving up and over a ridge in the west. Big heat wave. You can see these showers kind of moving southward here. Of course, there's the trough. These showers kind of pivoting around that big upper low spinning there. So it's cold here, but if you head westward, it is record-breaking heat. In fact, some of the warmest weather ever recorded in the month of April in parts of the Rockies. Still snowing heavily in Pennsylvania, western New York. The higher elevations have had 2 feet of snow, and of course that's the gradient between that low and then a high to the west is driving in a really strong, stiff north wind. And because the wind is blowing over land, it's a dry wind. It's not blowing from water, so we've had that fire danger today. Now, what's going to happen, this low will actually kind of move backward this way and dislodge a chunk of cold air that will bring another cold wave to the area later this week. But eventually, the heat to the west will win out, and we're going to get some really warm weather in here, it appears, as we move into early May, but not after a little more frost develops. And speaking of frost, we've got some on the way for tonight. As the winds start to calm down, we're going to drop into the 30s, but at least the fire danger going down as well. Again, that northeast snowstorm will move backward, so it will dislodge a chunk of cold air, bring it into our viewing area, push the heat westward as the week wears on. So we're looking at a pretty windy weather pattern, some rain in the forecast, and then some frost to end the week. Then the hot weather will finally get in here. It's going to stall a bit. We'll finally get in here as we move into early May. But tonight, though, areas of frost, 31 Rochester, 32 Logansport down to Burlington, about 34 Lafayette, 33 Monticello, and 35s off to the west along that US 41 corridor. Kentland down towards Pine Village and also Veedersburg. Tomorrow, not a bad day, mostly sunny, but still kind of windy. Winds kind of out of the northeast. 63 Rochester, 66 Lafayette, 68 Attica, and 67 at Remington. Warmer than the 60-degree high we had today, and warmer still Wednesday. 66 Rochester. Here comes some of that heat trying to move in from the southwest. 76 Attica and 74 at Lafayette. And later on in the day, a few scattered showers and storms. So here's the weather pattern. Again, right now, cold air is here. The heat is there. Notice what happens by midweek. Here come a few little showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday at 74, but then the cold moves back in. This is Thursday, Friday. There's the low, only 58 for our high. Saturday, Sunday, some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, we're still kind of in the cool air, but notice what happens by May. The trough moves out of here, and there's the warmer weather. We're going to be well into the 80s as we get into May. But we've got to put up with this northeast snowstorm effects and the cold air with it wrapping in. You'll see that the heat starts to get in here Wednesday with 74, but here comes the cold chunk, 58 Friday. After a morning low of 34, we'll be in the 30s Saturday morning. A few scattered showers and storms in the afternoon, then back to 58 Sunday. After that, it'll start to warm up. But Jeff, only 2 days, at least scattered showers and storms, and it doesn't look like a lot of rain out of that.
Again, we get some rain, but not enough.
It's real scattered.
And it looks like after tonight, we may be done with frost.
Yeah, a little bit later on this week because we get that 34 that one night. Otherwise, looking a little better.
Okay, very good. Thanks,
Yep.
Chad.